All right, today we'll be talking about Whistling Kettle stainless steel tea infusers. If you have pots or mugs at home that do not have brewing baskets, you can get one of these, and this will fit in most pots or mugs. And size-wise, it's large enough to allow expansion for most of the teas, so you don't have a very small area. You can let the tea room, give the tea room to grow and expand. So very easy to use. You put the basket in a mug, put a little tea in there, and then you top off with hot water. This can go from 8 ounces to 50 ounces, so if you have a large pot, no problem. And you can put your top back on, so if you have a timer, you time your tea. Once it's done, very easy, you can use this as a drip tray, and then you pull your leaves out, and you can enjoy your tea. These are dishwasher safe, so you can hand wash or throw them in the dishwasher, and can be used for next time.